Critical appraisal is a process by which we can tease out the strengths and weaknesses of evidence. When we review medicines at SMC, we critically appraise evidence of clinical effectiveness of that medicine. Clinical effectiveness is a term we use to describe how well a medicine works in real-life practice, and we also take into account the likely side effects from that treatment. The clinical effectiveness evidence usually comprises clinical trials. When we're assessing clinical trials, we're really looking to answer several important questions. Do we believe the results of the trial? What were the results of the trial? How well does the medicine work, and are there side effects? And how useful is this evidence for the care of patients managed in NHS Scotland? There can be actually quite a lot of different issues that crop up when we're appraising the evidence. Quite often, studies recruit patients who are medically fitter and are less likely to have multiple health conditions. They often do better in the trials compared with our patients in the real life. Can we expect the same results in real life? Another issue could be that we don't know how well the medicine works against what we currently use in NHS Scotland. Did the results or the outcomes of the trials be important to patients? For instance, for cancer studies, we would like to see the medicine either prevent disease recurrence or prolong the patient's life, or perhaps improve their quality of life. In chronic pain, we might want the medicine to halve the severity of their pain. Critical appraisal of the evidence is important because it helps us understand how well the medicine works, how well it compares with what we currently use in NHS Scotland, and if there's particular patients who would benefit more from the treatment. So the pharmaceutical company makes a submission to SMC, which makes the case for why their medicine should be used in NHS Scotland. An assessment team comprising a health economist, a health service researcher, a pharmacist like myself, and a member of the SMC's New Drugs Committee review that submission. The pharmacist and the health service researcher focus on critically appraising the clinical effectiveness evidence. We identify the strengths and weaknesses of that evidence and put it into the Scottish context. We summarise our findings into a detailed report which is considered fully by the SMC's committees.